Welcome to the GPS PhotoLink 5.1 Import Photos tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to import photos into your project. When you create a new project, you have no photos in that project. To add photos to your project, click on the Import Photos button. When you click on this button, you can browse to the directory that has the photos that you want, and then you can select each photo individually, or you can click on Check All in Folder, and that'll select all the photos in that folder. You can also browse to other directories if you want to include other photos as well. So here I've browsed to a different directory, click Check All in Folder, and now I click OK, and now all those photos have been imported into the project. You can also import photos by dragging and dropping them from Windows Explorer. I can show Windows Explorer over here. You just take a photo, drag it and drop it onto the screen, and then GPS PhotoLink imports that photo. You can also import a whole directory by dragging and dropping the directory folder right onto the project. So now we have all the photos we want for this project. We can change the size of the thumbnails by clicking on these buttons here. Select medium or large and back to small. You can also delete a photo if you don't want it in your project anymore. Just select the photo and click the delete button. Then that photo is removed from the project. When you import these photos into your project, they're copied to the projects directory and your original photos are not touched. Also, the globe icon you see here with the green checkbox means that this photo has GPS information. The ones with the red X means these photos do not have GPS information right now. You can also exclude a photo from processing. If you use a photo for, let's say, geotagging for the date and time, but you don't want it to appear in the output, you can click on the Exclude button. Then that photo will not appear in the output. Then these buttons here let you select all the photos or unselect all the photos. You can also drag your mouse to select photos that you want to deal with. You can also sort the photos. By default it's by date taken, but you can also sort them by name. And you can sort them by ascending or descending values. Then if you select a photo, these buttons over here let you reset the photo. So with this button, if you click it, it'll reset the photo back to its original in case you've done any drawings on the photo using the photo editor. And this button will reset all the data for the photo. If you added any attribute data or geotagged the photo, clicking this button will reset those attributes back to the original. You can also view the photo into an external editor. If you click this button, it'll launch your default program for JPEGs and show you the photo and allow you to edit it. You can also do all these photo functions on the attribute editor screen and the photo editor screen. Each one of these screens has the same toolbars to allow you to do the same functionality of importing photos or removing photos. That's it for the Import Photos tutorial. Thank you.